right, overhanging umbrella repair. This always happens. Broken string. Took the guts out, put everything the way it's supposed to go back in, and as you can see, this string is crap. If you're gonna restring your overhanging umbrella, don't use that string. Go to your local Walmart and buy the parachute cord. $1.97 for 18 feet. This is very similar how it comes in the packaging. As you can see, I already have it out. Stay tuned. First thing you want to do is tip it upside down where the crank is up above. Take your cord and feed it through all the way to the end. It'll go all the way down to the end of the tube and pull it out. After you feed it through the tube, make sure it goes around the pulley out through here and down below, and tie something off so it doesn't get sucked back in. Next, take the tie off, shove it down the tube. And attach it. Just like so. Next, you're going to want to open it up carefully and slowly. You can walk on it, just be gentle. There's the cord, pop out the middle, stick this through, there you go, that's part one of finishing it off. Alright, after you're done with that, find a washer that you got laying around that's big, that won't fit through that hole. Tie that kind of knot. The reason for this knot is you might have to do this again down the road. But once you have it tied, light it, get it warmed up, and pinch it together. Let it melt together. After tying the washer, you got it through there. There's the bottom. You want to step on it and pull it. Get it about that length because you're going to need to attach this to the bottom. Okay? Stay tuned. Next, you're going to want to shut it, right? And then you have all the slack. You're going to want to pull on it, but don't give it too much. In fact, get it as tight as you can and then just move it out a little bit because you're going to probably clip from here to here to attach it to your assembly. Next, you're going to want to take the end and put it through this little hole in the middle and tie it off. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Tied it up, put everything back the way it should. gears are ready to go. Put this back on, but maybe don't screw it yet. Just for the fact you might need to come back and check everything out. But the next will be the test to see if we got it to work. Hopefully we did. The moment of truth. Let's see if it works.